Have you ever looked for a roofing contractor and you're just not sure who to call or who to trust? You call your friends and you reach out to them, you find someone online, but how do you really know that they're the right roofer for you? Are they A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau? Are they insured for your protection? Do they have qualified workers to get the job done that are protected by the company's workman's comp? Do they have a local office with a large staff to assist you every step of the way? And will they be there for you when you need them after the job is done? We take the guesswork out of it. With over 700 roofs completed last year alone, we're the roofer of choice by the biggest corporate and national brands in America. We show up on time when they need us. We have systematic solutions for all our projects, and our solutions are built to last. We have the tech and the experience you need, so call us today for a free quote. 956-279-8292. We are McAllen Valley Roofing, a roofer you can trust.